Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Let's say for example we want to archive this post over here. What we're gonna do? We want to click on the three dots on the top of the post and then we want to scroll down to the archive section. When you click archive, well, we just archive it. The question is, where is the post now, right? You want to click on the three straight lines on the top of your profile and then you want to look for section that is called archive. You click on archive and there you have it. You found our post that we just archived. The question is, how we're going to unarchive. When you click on it, would it go? No, this is not the way you unarchive the post. All you gotta do is to go back and then you have to put your finger and hold on the actual post. Then you have to click show on profile. And this is how you unarchive posts on Instagram. Now, as you can see, we refresh our page and the post that we archived is currently unarchived, right? Very simple, very easy. And this is how you archived and unarchived posts on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.